don't get.
One question, only one, just one.
Okay, well, ask me one question. I want to come out. Ask me one question. Now,
Okay.
officer again.
How you tell us that Tony Kabaka wife they sleep around?
Okay, now I'm answer a good question, my sister. My break her down. Not be say I see Tony Kabaka say person the bench shamo. I not come cash him. But the rumor don't they go for a very long time. Number one, Eranomigo don't talk many times. Not be maybe the first person. And people wait don't talk and they don't pass 5. Me doesn't talk because say yes, I see evidence there. If mama thinks evidence not there, me they tell her say since when she take marry Tony Kabaka, she said she never fought for her side or she never do any forbidden thing. No problem, baby, go buy your ticket, come swear put because not be only more don't talk am. Many people don't talk am. Why you can't react for Atiti now? Why? Why you not tell the rest people where don't they talk as is even me? Say me can't do the normal thing and what they put for your body. Now oppression. Now oppression because many people don't fit talk before my sister. Now oppression be that.
Hey.
And I don't want me not like waiting I talk. I go stand on this. Now waiting I talk be this. I know they fear my fellow man.
My great brother Ero.
I greet you, my brother. I greet you, my brother.
May your day be long. Baba Ero. See, you see, now me talk that yesterday. You talking about something, and I seated there yesterday. I was not me talk calm and I waiting a year. Fine, but you see what you talk so. Sometimes I understand where you for they come, and even now you see this platform, and I really respect you as I do blood. Say a temen in yeme gumeya zunu nume away as zunu he noro wa to baba. And now this guy to me talk so. Say, fine, the fair they do one like this. I understand, say, your anger based on, say, you will only do one balamish, and at the end of it, he fuck you up because it do no sense. You not appreciate. And at the end of it, now he himself consider do all those kind of things. But, you know, the one made they pain us, then be Atiti, no more by ever. Atiti, you now we're here with the now we did take by we ever agree, yeah, go. I better go watch the video, Baba.
Solution. I better wait. No, it also that's the map by ever. Wait till a road talk now, eh? Wait till a road talk. More than listening. A road talk. Say he no send now. The one we go talk about.
Now wait till I talk now. Atiti na in na where yema we are evacuate. And see the way party come here. I believe say a lot of people record this thing. Why? Because our brother, I haven't not agbe. But our brother sit here say, yes, you have to gelema egbezo, and away to papa, away you carry on away even Adafe or walking Eri Mage, Tony, nor any name, your baka is water, now we baby is water. Okay, not the vapor. Fine. A man time and I retire every woman, Akaya swim where we can as a kid do Babene. But who were one in our very Rimaya Guana, even at it itself, or a video panel what to you when I met where who were Moana, but who were any, Baba we are Guana. You have my way on a 100%, even the 15 were because away at down the Oma, Akiame Boboma. Okay, Bona, Terre. Okay, bona. Terry, and me David na. Atiti ya dam yo na we ni ade magio ni ame viewers. Ona ka me we gasio kwebo. De normal social media blasting no. Odudu o ma na be ya be so lakon. Ona we ti o oni na ka ma ona we ti ma era me atiti o teme no kan ni mi wa ya watch video ni era me wa we ma be ri abi etoni mari abi but atiti yo to boy yo boy kolohun no bi. Ona we ya de oka. Won we wa bi ona we call ni ya de oka. O ma kam we ben we ata na. Ze wo bi ejo pataki. No yun ra mo ken obare. Ben we ata na. We teme na we e ma wonu ta o but here we just my way me so okay kehire na we ya ba ma no ma opa ever. Una va yo egbe wa yi ka ma we na mo ebola dia. We to akia ivie wo bonokuta wo ja video.
Brother, my brother was he said, if you know if it's smooth, you understand. If your boy, I need a unetoni, Ona Moise, a revolver, ye na ni tana yi atoge enika oni dio ya fe oba ni ere ni atie memu ina atoge bed oge ta e matata ni atie Tony Kabaka adumu no say na te na is that because wa here tie bo uka tie gbegbe ne uketie ona ya o ma no emi no o ma no te e mata uka mu gbegbo no say na te na is that mama ti oboke Tony or my revolver, a 6-round revolver with 86 live bullet ammunition. Yamu yo me moto bi ba ni ye graba. On e mani me gbina na with me get that be me ya gbina na. My brother, ina gbe 3 months ibe SARS. Ina do ya gbe a year and 8 months iboko. Baby ni ma pa eva. Iko ni ge me low. Almost about 8 million at the end of 2016 abi 18. My brother, I give tell of baba. Etoni na taba we ye mega friend the police. Okay, my people, mona listen. Now me want fuck my mama. No be
No, sir.
my mama no go get
No,
man.
Yes.
If my mama friend police, no be joy to me say my mama the friend police. No be a pity to me say I don't go spend money for anything again. Abba, I need this one. No be good if my mama friend police. If my mama na me go fuck my mama before. Tony they told say my mama fine. Okay, maybe my mama ugly. You they jealous of mama. You want to fuck with my mama?
No,
Remember my mama not
oh, why
fine before?
it never, Papa. Even no magic.
Wait, man, one minute, I beg.
He go sweet you.
Maybe my mama not fine before. You want to talk another? They say my friends when they do streets or they do runs, they kill the police when my mama they friend. That one makes sense at all. Okay, if my mama the friend soldier, not be joy to me. I say I get soldier stepfather. Why me also go kill soldier where supposed to protect me? That like more they listen to things where make sense. Why me go to think bad or soldier or police where go protect me where they friend my mama or where they marry my mama? Not be joy to me. Let me go fuck my own mama. He say yagi mose.
Bro,
You know me my
I
mama
beg.
not fair before.
Ero,
You told me when they protect my mama. If he love my mama,
wait, Ero, I want to ask one question, Ero.
Well,
You
you make one then I will put your 1 minute.
One
minute team, we give me one. So now you want fuck my mama before. You say my mama fair, my mama too fair, make my mama ugly. Even they talk say mama die. My mama even laugh past it, mama. Mama died. Now the cloth where mama turn the thief for inside market. Now kill him, mama. The cloth where she got thief. Now kill him, mama. But if they jealous my mama, say my mama friend police. Maybe my mama go friend trailer wheelbarrow pusher before. If my mama friend police, not job for me. Sorry. I don't want cause for your platform. Sorry, I take that. I apologize for that, my queen. Sorry. At a time again, what they talk about is that make we they talk to man now there. Man Tony girl say man win and there. Man always there. He was very. I'm a freedom fighter. I'm a ex-militant. I'm not just a ex-militant. I was a general. I don't carry be general. I get a guy where they on top before. The first of guy hand over. The second one hand over. Now so I can't reach my tongue. Not be power I tell reach there. Tony me and Tony not be level. For anything, for school, everything. Tony not fit read ABCD. Sorry, man, no to the fall hand. He not go fit. He cannot even speak. He say my mama carry me wrong, go America. Then they carry person they wrong, go America. Easy for person mama to carry person go the best country for the world. Why not they jealous? You give police money, make they kill me because they fear me. The way politicians they fear we get for Nigeria. Why you give the money, make they kill me? What I do, you not help, I can't help you. And you know what he can't pay me pass? The day when Tony come beg me for this help, he tell me, say, in mama na ero, he say I beg. You never know Tony beg you today, my sister. You don't know the time when you tell put pants for Tony Kabaka. If Tony Kabaka deceive you, you don't know when you tell pull your pants. Tony beg me, they cry, say mama na ero, I beg me I help her. I know they see what just like no molest they do. I can't see look out for that. I can't see look and say me I na decide confra. I can't look and say me I na decide confra. Me really work for her. Me really deliver for her. And I deliver.
Oh. Yeah, I get him. Now you can't talk that. Wait, Baba. What talk about Baba? Now I know why you make that statement say nine cause some Ijaw people they know they do confra or the name of a brotherhood. Now I get your video. Baba Wato.
No, I don't have.
First of
I
all,
don't
at
have.
the come, Baba. Wait now. Ali, hold on.
I
You
don't
dey make
privilege.
call.
No
You dey
man,
make
let's
call. Mute yourself. Mute
I
yourself
talk.
first.
I want to ask
So
one
Baba,
question. I beg,
Baba
bro.
Ero wa talk be wa be beg be ne Tony we ya gwa kege ni ade wa beg imari mi na kokoko Ero Ero in refer Joshua e Tony orogbe umara stand o no mai owero refer Joshua even otinwe ni bun me bi yan wa beg be ni ya gwa sin ina we o second word is oyo ni o me ne ma idado gele ya
Ìwọ òwe náà
ide
owó ní the second way. Wọ́n máa wo ni ọtí ẹ̀sùn
what
ṣàwẹ̀ kí náà owó ní bèbá yóò wó ní the second way.
wa talk
Ìyíṣà
be baba wa
onílé
talk be
àbákú bèbá ni
calm down.
ìyíṣà onílé ẹ̀rọ
Yes,
ọ̀pápá.
ide papa ide ubegi we veni yagwan sin na we emi na emi no keke wa begi veni we be yagwan ade me paro ni to ni beta okiata owe ero otinye no but ewie so me so emi ne o eke no run ifa to tata baba ile ya sunu gimawe mi yana we carry offend men but e oga wo kan ni madori yo eriya we mata agi mebe ya ge upigbo gbala kan wa le gba na o fe tita we ma we emi ana then o we fa ame vi ati atiti no we gbe ari nu ye ke no ma ke no ri nu yi ni o be ya si we hiana ni wa si we hiana why because one of the yewe a battle between ovie ero de by etoni emi naka mfuane o de mani gba na ame bifi negbe omeke ni ma we se ma do si ani ma we eze yo o mai o ge mana ye giri de no ma we o si me yugu lapa ne awe ai man is a bad man o ira me to ne we ta we o mai o wa me no te o me o te o ni ye won boss you to baba o ye do ma ya kin o we do ben we je na o tu be e je no ga gwan be platform ni na ro to be be analyze e but when we ya gwan ya ka ma we e ko ya fun me e ko kaka bo fun me o da awa mi wan no gwan no ma ege no ho a o e no uma beri egbo ele una to bo wela jan wo to buwe gona ovieru ni atemu wa bere na amati ebo emi pa kan ni marata eri yan tai egbo e ban te jolos we to buwe na to buwe la jan be na even if yon tai yan we fian wa be awe gbe play do we yes if you na o etun ti an gele to we no ma nedo amanu so do ama e sister ke platform me ba ni ma make na e ke di mariwo e ge fa agbina ege le fara gbina egbe tohun yen ade ni e fana gbina wo ha amebi o fe ga yin emi ya osun no we de Nigeria so when you say now
My brother point this again Federico we wa mo mu da ke no ma. Àti
he
tí
said
meke no ti meri yan si egbe e ki ai ma ye mi do pa ge owo bi ye me ibe ta ma la me ko le o baba. Ima ya gi ewo ohun. Eya very far. Eya very far.
e ma na de ni me bo
Ima ya gi ewo
baba
ohun. Ina ko se o gba fa ni agbe.
Okay, if I
So with Ovomo Dudu ni Nore Spain. Ni Edwata where you me or ya quick sorry for using that word. Imagine everybody can make bezo. So he was any little thing. Ni aya penetrate ni. So my being back can make bezo. Chief Odudu is a man I love. Even while watch, man, what disrespect of man, whether you be small picky or you be big person, I don't dey fear anything because I get free mind. Iwa call Atiti yebe 30 tomorrow with me here where my gear won't let me go and verify.
era
if
me
I
People
I
agree to
will
now.
in case of incasity in case or 20 kere o ga be bu or John one or work on one
And brother,
ne
what's
maro
the
baba
in Atamatiti way? Iyan gbin na
oh
riba.
ite ne
Iyan
de
ya
ni
go
atama
rebi.
we
Imemi no jiyan ya go rebi.
umani
Let me
atama
verify.
we baba umani atama we
You are
iwe yave bu ode zewe or
okay.
20 kere
Wato,
or
wato.
no we say 7 million ubere we are doing to you or making we go and say do ame anga issue understand
Brother, if you
owe
train on ya, or you do aya me
Irana
anga
Irana e
issue.
baba we dami ona iwi habu
Ite me anga issue me
Irana ma
if you train na no.
baba we dami ona we ka we dami imene understand awo yeru fine Irana man bite o bite pa kan Irana roa we no ibi a jeni o me e video panu we jere there is we Atiti gwan ogwene nemi even America de magina even o sisi baba or Dion or every man or where Etawin was see wa. No, the first accusation.
Solution
Baba na
law.
lao.
If you don't talk finish, I'll follow a road talk.
Okay, Baba. Okay, Baba. No, you understand? You understand? Where would the market, Baba? Where would the market? Baba, Baba, we're damn
Person you fit still ask question for this platform.
we are
Comment
damn
c'est-il notar?
we are keeping damn yo. Baba, where we damn yo ne? When you journey, so. Utobo we oko gben so we ogeje ogwa revie eluware ero image joking o yenye but a man ni e won no man be do be e fa junction wa o ma understand but me e no na wa ni ma mo boto ta wa e ma oni aso ni ma so be e family we ni ma biyan gba be susu me gbe be ge ni o ma understand me but we wa ni ima ya yi dan yan ku gbe we mi ya je no man na ro ma wi kankan o ma understand me baba gben so ogoje o mu go review no matter how what la pa hin o me so no e kini afie le un da no one we hin wo e kini we abu be county no my we say 30 no my we say 40 wo e kini we abu yan de we o teme ri o boy mi dan re no de e we me se me agbe me bana do na we wata bana o ga re ni ma baba agbe o ga re ni ma lawo wo baba gben so iyen we o we ya temi so zebe e bi no ka sunu kuweke iri ma eto ni Kabaka e baba meti wo avai muda ana we gbe na ya oge otinwa ni hire mi abi ahi otuwe wa ni udazi we ogojo yan na de enwe me ni ameti bi yagwan e ka we to egbo na de but e be yan ogi wi eto na ina we yagwan yo lawo wo baba oho ma han we ya we so code na de we won no temegwan truth is bitter wa ya domo
Ero.
Wato, Wayato, Sabanika Debawa.
I agree to you. Like, but really, my version, my bezo, you understand. But okay, a part of Kabaka no Antani. Now, so a bueno respect, according to New York, you understand who my idea, fine. Or a part of Kabaka no Akana way. All the two of Benani, all those things, on a parking when we are control. We can remit near all those kind of things, you understand? But or switch you yourself, no, because I did aware of this one at that time. Or switch yourself, no way. The matter
You say you did aware? Are you sure?
Papa, bros, I know those two. I won't follow a part to the Kabaka now. You understand? But switch you yourself, no way where to be where, who we can't do a gaslighting here. You can't be like, you want to follow them, no molest and all those people. Now make
my brother. The Tinika, I never betray, I never got backslide, never in my life. Me, I want Mudiake, my brother. Let's go to grave together. Eriaya Mameni, we don't betray. We don't. If we stand, we stand. We are going, we are going. We don't. We don't look back. Oh, no, Ruswa mi no ga yo amuye. Me je be yo ya gare company iguwero ne. You know, maybe I may go to Sakpama tomorrow because Aruba na go Sakpama ro.
Yes. Yeah, yes, my brother. I switch. You don't understand what I'm trying to tell you now. But what is the matter when they did? You and our brother, you understand? Now the same level and still they. But the matter when they be saying, I switch you yourself know the way. Tony Kabaka do things. You're supposed to see how you the matter with her. Not for you to call the court Atiti, call they pronounce the matter, call they go far, all those things. At least you supposed to yourself know understand yourself. You understand? You understand? Even imagine now, I boy maybe I want to die, but a chairman was very you understand. But bros, what is supposed to do now for you to meet her? You understand? Now for you to because even that type of self, you even they close past a Bosto to run. You understand? You even dey close past a Bosto to run. Or switch yourself, no. But at least as a mature man, as a chairman when you be supposed to meet her. Anyway, I call it boy no rare. It's pain.
You get correct.
It's now not the more have a you understand? This thing
you get correct.
What can make you call it look like small pikin? Come make up
brother. Don't big. Not worry yourself. I fully understand what you talk.
You understand?
It's not rich. You not rich. No of the rich. You understand? Not fear. Nothing to worry about. You understand? I stand by waiting. I talk. Everything when I talk, I dey stand down. Might not be man when they talk today. He go deny in the afternoon. So now, so if I did wrong, I will call you and say, my sister, I love you. I'm wrong. Now, so if I not did wrong, I dey stand by my word because I be freedom fighter to the last. If I die today, na glory. Because mama they born pikin today, he go die today. I don't do things. I don't help many lives. I don't save many people. I don't make so many people smile. I don't give so many people joy. I don't help so many people come up for Nigeria today. They Western world and they flex. Wait till they try to talk my brothers. Those pain is still in my mind because person when you put your life on ground for 10 make sure say you succeed. At the end of the day, the person who come by you put gun for your motto, do everything. I lost my motto. I lost my boss. I lost my motto. I lost two motto the same day for Tony Kabaka because the motto can't be exhibit when he put the. In short, a long story. In short. I come down and I walk out there. I just say my quick climb up, share with you. I love all of you. I respect you. May God our ancestors bless you now. I will find time to take home another
bro.
day.
Bro, I do want to ask you a question.
Amen.
I beg. I do want to ask you one question. I beg. Me, I ask this question.
I beg. Make woman talk when I don't verse. Now make the talk see.
You see,
yes, you are right. You are right.
You guys got to settle with Tony. That one we know they argue that one. You know say Atiti na the wrong person to give information. Any trouble me Atiti dey na you put am. You know. You know say you don't go. Person like person if you come and say no go carry that matter go talk because you know say this one is strong matter.
Yes.
When we Atiti now you go feel manipulate. You dey talk say Atiti too small. You know say Atiti too small. That make you use am. You not get it up. You for open your video. You don't go carry that man for the problem now because you know say the man. He just big, his brain not they grow for one. If I think na my brother, now you they go home. As you they think say nothing they do now, they say rag with program of what is all this? You don't go carry that man for trouble. Then they call the fight live video make you want climb. Your own video not the open. Your own video not the open. Huh?
Oh.
Because they contact story of 1960.
Ọ̀wẹ́ gájọ́ ọlọ́rọ̀ gbé.
Ọ̀tá ẹ̀nìyàn ọ̀wẹ́ máa gbọ́ Atiti gun ọ̀tá ẹ̀nìyàn. Ọ̀sí ẹ̀nìyàn. Ọ̀sí ẹ̀nìyàn wíyẹn máa gbọ́ Atiti gun.
Madam, ẹ tani màmá. Ọmọ gbọ́ Atiti gun Atiti yẹn Nàìjíríà.
Ẹ̀mẹ̀nìyẹn tá mẹ́ta náà. Ẹ̀mẹ̀nìyẹn tá mẹ́ta náà. Ẹ̀mẹ̀nìyẹn tá mẹ́ta náà. Bẹ́ẹ̀gẹ̀ wọ́wẹ́ ẹ̀mẹ̀ àná.
Èmi nájú nù ẹ̀ ta máa náà.
Ìyẹn gbọ́ Atiti gun. Woman dey no dey Atiti na no ewe what about the one me just say odudu? He can't deny because he no say that. Pass ya too reba let book your wow. I go slap.
No mama abeg otunwe no ko were platform na no ke platform e kan bi ama ba ko abi ase e yo sere nejo ama no selu ama mama tie bo no won ropa lawo goje oko pa mesa won
ogun
lawo
iya gbe family of him dey affect sister wa re
ano
ogun no si
eri o wa no
gbe ajo wa re
yes ẹ̀nìyàn bẹ́ẹ̀gẹ̀
attitude. You get problem with person as a man of a vie quiver. Who first you go first time. You go first time. You understand me? Not be the one because they use Atiti. Now Atiti they receive the punishment. Now they pay me first time. Now Atiti can't go talk now they add sugar. Now Atiti can't go talk now they add sugar.
Ataya my sister.
Atiti they cry that they pity him. No, even though when it happened, I was happy saying, oh, Bob Atiti finally. But I will not lie to you. I feel sorry for her. I be human. I was feeling sorry for her.
I pity for her. I pity for her.
Okay, come on.
I'm a sweet one, Mavagmo.
So I be your friend. So all one for life.
Amen. You do one.
Who down? I said that Bobby.
You were observing. You done many worry.
I was going anyhow. How am I going? How you be? I salute be your
problem with.
Imi asin wanu we.
Bros, la baba mi.
Ya asin wanu noki.
La baba wasi wanu.
Wasi wanu. Areba na hama go wate mata me.
Wale.
EJ.
Wale.
Ọmọ díẹ̀ tí wọ́n ta mẹ́ wẹ́ mẹ́rin mo náà ta mẹ́.
Ni akere ibo kere.
Ọmọ dọ̀nà ọmọ díẹ̀ tí wọ́n ta mẹ́.
Oh, baba dami yo.
Hey, tave di o mama.
Bros, madam yo.
Egbe brother ba egui.
A prisoner have a problem with Owa. Office say, "Eno ya Titi you pay because what Titi agi nanya agi na Titi Because now Atiti they swear for, not be him. I know the other way now. He get glory. Found for your pocket. You go put Atiti for problem because they give Atiti $100, I be $50. Now the money. When you want, because they will go back Atiti enemy. When for them Atiti because what you tell her. Why will you do such a thing? Why? Then Atiti no wrong. Remember even know the if I don't come out for your matter because the mother stand well. Stand well in Atiti. Because here move your problem, what cover there? You're covering for somebody that put you into that kind of problem. Oh, wait, bros, ide baba, oh, my fair one. Wagulay, a godfather, a Tony Kabaka. A Kabaka, a godfather. Yeah,
Nigeria, I don't Nigeria, but we go hear the score.
We are Nigeria, Titi. Even we are there where a Kabaka, I have all a correct all. Do a man, time away. And you're like your mind. Yo. Oh, yeah, not your way. Also, that time I say whether way. I said you know your matter or we are because you over a little bit. You like I'm a bug bear unnecessarily. Because I know that if the one mama say I'm a boy, if not, I said take the bag for there. They will not come. I say lao, the bag lao. It's not okay. You wear. Atiti na do move or pa die. Ya Atiti is so only way to do. Donation attitude, I may take Kabaka no then. Or when you might come into an agreement with anybody, the man attitude with donation bar. You know if you put that man, more not to talk. That man go spend it.
They pay me pass the guy they work. You know go
that man go spend it like 8 million. Before this
mother.
Okay.
Mother.
When mama have a problem already, when you have phone. Why go? I say why go you do a shot? And the way the boy out today, that man.
Because that man my guy ni.
What provoking me?
Omola mujana noge. I greet you.
Baba.
I greet you, Baba. Well, this matter, so this issue, so I run a person who I know. A part to Kabaka na person who I know. You understand? Now make me tell you yes now. See, I know how this matter take play. You understand? When a part give you one slot, say okay, may you the control here. You understand? So all those kind of things. So it can't be like say everyone call the gaslight the power. You understand? Every issue and row. You understand? Now tell row say, but that will not mean say you can't carry and come media. You supposed to settle on your own. When be say now two of una. Now go iron the matter and when be say no come media, you understand? But the one we can go to Atiti, now be waiting they fuck up. And number two, or more, you supposed to understand say Atiti itself, he can't have an about one of law leg one. Waiting not Atiti go call joiner.
Yes.
Oh my understand. Waiting not Atiti go call joiner, which is not good.
Because he knows that Atiti go the message, bro.
I dey follow Enogi. Enogi na see presenter. I never see anybody who come and go talk say Enogi dey lie. Wetin dey tell Enogi dey talk. You know go call wetin dey not tell am. You understand? That not mean say me not become who you want become. You understand? Wetin person tell you talk am, not go dey lie journal. Like wetin Ero talk yes now say. Ero say he no send now. He still say me wait me verify. You understand? If you say mo check this matter omo, let's be frank and sincere. Attitude ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ fi ẹ̀mẹ́. You understand? Ero and Epa Kabaka get their own personal issue.
Yeah.
You understand? As a learned person when this guy go be Atiti, he's supposed to talk say
this matter me verify. Now make I go tell him no say Atiti ata.
Yes. Omo, yes. Yeah, Omo. I understand you. Yeah, I understand. God go bless you. I understand you. But as you say Atiti talk the way Erote talk Atiti for not the problem. If you don't understand, if Atiti no go call joiner, maybe Chief Ododo and Chief Ododo wife when they pay and Atiti not get issue, Atiti no go call joiner. Atiti for not talk, Atiti for not the problem. You understand?
To be my senior brother, Oh, I don't know what I want to tell you.
You say
who found? I went there to church, you know, you know, you found.
Yes, best go job great. No, he says no, they grow for long.
No, Atiti itself, if you say mo check, I even tell the priest. I didn't come the priest.
I know when you climb up there, truth is bitter. When you call the Atiti, No listen to you. We know they climb up. No, we say we don't know what they play for the social media. Maybe we know what me
Thank you, man.
You understand? Atiti itself, my sister. Atiti.
One amo. He no listen to you. If he listen to you, maybe listen for nobody drag rich like this.
You understand? So Atiti itself, right from time when they say Atiti, I know Atiti knows a bit talk. Atiti
not be only talk about
let's be told, even if say you don't know a row and a pa before, even if you don't know two of them, but when that matter come, you need to verify.
Even as strong men you dey for this matter, you will first verify this kind of thing.
You understand? You understand? Because a part of not be person will be say they hide for that state. Everybody know her.
See, truth is bitter. I might tell you, attitude they try to when he want make himself presenter, he's supposed to learn for Enoge and social media president. When he understand, he don't think they follow Enoge. Or sometimes if you want to do the shit, you will say Enoge 1 by 2. That big have one laugh for your stamp. The next thing will say, what damn you up or what up? No, stand me. At the last person when we say you follow to the end and we will see the truth. If he wants to give you money, he will tell you say, oh, why take away near the what